Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your song in Audacity or another DAW. Import the stereo file, then duplicate the stereo track so you have track A and track B. Once duplicated, select only track B and apply the invert effect. This cancels center panned audio when combined. Make sure your file is uncompressed or high bitrate for better results. Also, switch both tracks to mono split view if available. This reveals left and right channels for the next step. Now split each duplicate into separate left and right channels and use the subtraction method. Subtract the right channel from the left or vice versa to remove center content. Many DAWs have a vocal reduction or center channel extractor. Use it and choose the reduce option. Once the center is reduced, listen for remaining artifacts. Cut narrow frequency ranges where the voice still pokes through. Make small gain adjustments to avoid losing instrument balance, and apply a gentle de-esser if sibilance remains. Finish by mixing down and exporting your vocal reduced version as WAV or MP3. Once done, compare it to the original to spot phase-related hollowing. If the instrumental sounds thin, undo the inversion and try reducing center rather than full subtraction. If residual vocal bits remain, open a spectral editor and surgically attenuate those frequencies. Make sure to add subtle reverb or EQ to recover natural space. Troubleshooting tip: if instruments vanish, restore a small percent of the original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.